See chapter 1, exercise 1.4, sum 9. If the function is defined by f of x plus 2 for x greater than 1, and the same f of x is equal to 2 when x is between minus 1 and 1. F of x equal to x minus 1, where x lies between minus 3 and minus 1. Find the values of f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5 and f of 2 plus f of minus 2. First we will have the number line for integers. The center value is 0. Towards the right side you will get positive value plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Towards the left side you will get minus value, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here up to minus 3 only you have, so you can stop here. See, the first function is x plus 2 for x greater than 1. See, where is 1 here? After 0 you are getting 1, positive 1. Greater than 1. Greater than 1 means as it goes towards the right side, you will get the greater value of 1. See, it is strictly greater than, don't include 1. So, after 1 you write. So, x takes the value 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on dot dot dot. So, the function f of x equal to x plus 2 for the values of x as 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And it takes just the value 2 where x lies between minus 1 and 1. See, here minus 1 and plus 1 and also it is equal to. So, you have to include minus 1 also. Minus 1. See, after minus 1 you have 0, 0, then plus 1. Plus 1. So, f of x takes this value 2 for x minus 1, 0, plus 1. And it takes x minus 1 when x lies between minus 3 and minus 1. See, here you have minus 3 and here you have minus 1. But it is strictly less than minus 3, x less than minus 1. You should not include these two values, minus 3 and minus 1. The values lies between minus 3 and minus 1. So, between minus 3 and minus 1, you have only one value, that is x equal to minus 2. Okay, using this you find the answer for the question. First question is f of 3. F of 3. So, where you get 3 in the function, in the first function, x takes 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 you have for the function x plus 2. So, I take this x plus 2. When x is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. F of 3 equal to 5. Next is f of 0. F of 0. See, where this x takes the value 0, here the second function, just it is 2. When x is 0, f of x is 2. So, just write 2. Third question. F of minus 1.5. F of minus 1.5 is a decimal value. So, where it comes this minus 1.5, see, after minus, between minus 1 and minus 2, you will get this value, minus 1.5. Here you will get minus 1.5, minus 1.5. Actually, this function lies between minus 3 and minus 1. You are supposed to take the third function, x minus 1. X minus 1. So, where x is minus 1.5 minus 1. Just you add, it is a decimal value, minus 1.5 minus 1.5. minus 1. It is whole number. Just after decimal you put 0. 5 dot 1 plus 1, 2. Both are same sign. You will get minus. So minus 2.5. Minus. Next sum, fourth sum, f of 2 plus f of minus 2. Fourth sum is f of 2 plus f of minus 2. First you find what is f of 2. F of 2 is equal to, here, where is x value as 2? Here in the first function. You take x plus 2. So x plus 2. So x is 0. 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So f of 2 is 4. Next value is f of minus 2. F of minus 2. Where x takes minus 2 here? On the third sum, x minus 1. X minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 3. See, but our question is you have to add f of 2 plus f of minus 2. What is f of 2? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. This is the answer. See the 10th question. A function f is from the closed interval minus 5, 9 to r. Domain is minus 5, 9 and range is r. Real values is defined as follows. F of x is 6x plus 1 for the value x as minus 5 to 2. It is less than or equal to, but it is strictly less than 2. 5x square minus 1 for 2 less than or equal to x less than 6. 3x minus 4 for x 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9. See, we have the domain as in the interval, closed interval, minus 5 to 9. So, you draw the line here. So, center value 0 and then plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9. Here, towards negative side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and goes on. Okay, see, take the first interval. X takes the value between minus 5 and 2. Where is minus 5? Here it's minus 5 and 2. Just to see whether you can include these two values. You can include minus 5 because less than or equal to minus 5. So here x takes the value minus 5 and then minus 4, minus 3 and takes minus 2, minus 1, then 0, then 1. Because see here it's strictly less than 2, so we should not take 2. So before 2 you have 1. So for the first function, x take the value minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0 and 1. See here for the second function it is 5x square minus 1. X between 2 and 6. Where is 2? 2 here, 6 here. See, for 2 you have equal to sign. So, you have to write 2 also. So, x is equal to 2. Next to 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 6. No equal to sign. Don't write 6. Before 6 you have 5. You can stop that. So, x takes the only values 2, 3, 4, 5. See the next function, it is 3x minus 4. So, x is between 6 and 9. So, in both the case, you have equal to sign. So, x is equal to, it takes 6 value. After 6, you have 7, 8 and 9 also you have to include because you have equal to sign 9. Okay, using this you have to find the values. First question, f of minus 3 plus f of 2. First find minus 3, f of minus 3. So for which function you are getting x value as minus 3? For the first function 6x plus 1. So I take the function 6x plus 1. So this is equal to 6. Substitute x as minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1. 6 3s are 18. Minus 18 plus 1. This is equal to minus 17. Next one, you have to find f of 2. So f of 2, where you get f2 here, x takes the value 2. For the second function, this is 5x squared minus 1. You write 5x squared minus 1. So 5 into x is 2. 2 square minus 1. 5 into what is 2 square? 2 2s are 4. 2 we multiply 2 times. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Minus 1. 5 4s are 20. Minus 1. That is equal to 19. So you have to add now both these values. F of minus 3 plus f of 2. What is f of minus 3? Minus 17. Plus f of 2 is 19. See, different sign you have. It is minus 17, it is plus 19. Both are different sign. Different sign you have to subtract. Find the difference. So 19 minus 17, after 17, 18, 19. 2 you have. And also bigger number has plus sign. So you will get plus 2. Second sum. F of 7 minus f of 1. First find f of 7. Okay, just see where this x takes the value 7 here. In the last function, 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4. So 3 into, you give x as 7 minus 4. 3 7s are 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 you will get 17. Next you give f of 1. Where x takes value 1 plus 1 in the first function. 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1. So 6 into 1 plus 1. 6 1s are 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. You have to find f of 7 minus f of 1. So this is equal to f of 7 is 17 minus f of 1 is 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. Third sum. 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. 2 into f of 4. So find the value of f of 4 first. F of 4. Where x is equal to 4 here in the second function. 5x squared minus 1 is equal to 5x squared minus 1. That is 5 into x is 4. 4 the whole square minus 1. So 5 into 4 squared. 4 4s are 16 minus 1. 5 into 16. 5 6 are 30. 3 carry over. 5 1s are 5. 8 minus 1 is equal to 79. Next find f of 8. For which function x takes the value 8 here? The third function 8 comes here. So the function is 3x minus 4. So you write this is equal to 3x minus 4. 3 into x is 8 minus 4. 3 8s are 24 minus 4. 24 minus 4 is 20. So now question is 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8. That is 2 times f of 4 value is 79 plus f of 8 is 20. So multiply this 79 by 2. 9 2s are 18, carry over 1. 7 2s are 14, 15 plus 20. So that is equal to 178. Next question. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. f2 into f of minus 2 minus f of x by f of 4 plus f of 2. First find f of minus 2. Where this x takes the value minus 2 here, minus 2 in the first function, 6x plus 1. 6x plus 1 plus 1. So 6 into minus 2 plus 1. 6 2s are 12 minus 12 plus 1 minus 11. Next is f of 6. f of 6. Where this x takes the value 6 in the third function. 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4. 3 into 6 minus 4. 3 6 are 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. See this f of 4 value. The previous sum we got that f of 4 as 79. You can use that. F of 4 is equal to 79. See here, just now we have done this. F of 4 is equal to 79. And also f of minus 2, the same value. Just now we have got f of minus 2 minus 11. So now you apply this in the sum. 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of x divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. That is 2 times minus 11. F of minus 2 is minus 11. Minus f of 6 is 14 divided by here f of 4 is 79. Then f of minus 2, just minus 2 is minus 11. Just you can replace plus as minus 11. So 2 11s are 22. It is minus 22 minus 14 divided by, you subtract 79 minus 11, 8. Then 7 minus 1 is 6, 68. So what you will get here? Both are same sign, you add minus 36 divided by 68. So one minus comes, you write just as it is. See, both are even numbers. So you first cancel with 2. See, in 3, 1 2s are 2. Carry over 1, 16. 8 2s are 16 divided by 68. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. Then again both are even numbers. You divide by 2. 9 2s are 18. In 3 it goes one time. Remainder 1. Carry over 1, 17. So answer is minus 9 by 17. So that is the answer. The problem over. Thank you.